So hello fellow adventurers! As you can see, that's an alien. We are playing Ratchet and Clank in All for One with Gamer Girl and Charles. And I adopted a boy, so
I'm Clank. I'm tiny little Clank.
So I'm the guy who's like spinning around like woo.
I'm jumping.
So look at me, I'm so evil. Oh guys, we can double jump.
Hey, over here.
Follow me. Hey you. I hit you in the face.
I
Hit you. I hit you.
can't attack.
Click square. You can attack. Kill him. Okay. Let's go. Okay, that's the alien behind us. Hit him in the face. Oh wait, no, I'm the green. I was looking at you, Ratchet. I mean Clank. I mean Ratchet. Sorry. Wait. Wait for me. Wait for me, guys.
Hello, I'm Kip Darling.
And I'm Pepper Fairbanks.
Oh, Pepper. I don't know who the heck Pepper is.
And we're coming to you live from Luminopolis.
Wait, I gotta hit this guy in the face. Oh yeah. Oh, okay guys, triangle! Guys, click triangle when you jump. No, jump triangle. Okay. Oh, you guys failed. Yeah. Woo-hoo! Yeah, boys! I am the master! This is a 3D game. So you can, wait, you gotta hit these guys. Yeah, this is a 3D game, so we can do this. Wait, guys, this is a close-up on my face.
We need to take him down.
Yeah.
Take him down, people.
Oh, guys,
Close than now, y'all.
I don't know, guys, hold down R1. Hold down, R2. Your hand goes up. Like, can I please taxi? Like, taxi.
I just hey, over here. You want that?
Trying. Oh.
Die, man.
Okay, so where do we go? Let's go explore, everybody. We have to stay on the screen with each other, so. Yeah, Charles is that little, robot dude named Clank. And, Gamer Girl is the Ratchet. No, yeah. Go on to call Ratchet Clank and Clank Ratchet. Oh, X square is the slam attack. Boom!
What?
X square. What? Boom! Oh, I have to slam attack on these. Boom! Alright, you can take that one, Rat. Boom!
Chili bomb.
His name isn't Chili. Oh, gee, wait, sorry.
Whoa.
Come on. Oh no, those explode!
Whoa.
Boom, Lagoon!
Thanks.
No! Oh, no, I fell.
I did it. Oh, God.
No! Dum.
Go.
Guess what? Here's one.
You can't even I don't know if you can see this, but it's hard candy. I have blue raspberry.
I'm the only one who's actually fighting everyone.
Good job.
Guys, I am going to show you guys the package.
Oh my God. This is so sad.
Look at that fight. It's extreme. On the sour good.
I'm literally crying.
Are you guys crying? Oh, I like to get used to you guys in disease.
No, I like it. It's good now.
Oh, cheers, that's sour.
Yeah, it's really good. After a little bit of sourness goes away.
That's nice.
So it's our kill.
crying.
Not anymore. Oh, heck yeah.
Guys, look. See, I'm a boomerang. Hold down R2 and click square.
What do you throw?
I throw a
Charlie, what
boomerang.
do you throw? Charlie, what do you throw?
His name is not Charlie.
Ah, Ratchet.
Charlie Ball.
At Clank. Clank. Hello, Clank.
You can call him Charles.
Come on, Clank. Let's go.
Where am I? Oh yeah, I fell.
Oh, yeah. Darn it.
Okay, no, there's again.
I'm safe. Uh-huh.
It gets much harder
I
than
can
this.
teleport you.
That was hard.
I can teleport to the closest.
Oh, deep click. Oh, triangle. Oh yeah, that's a tether. So I can just hold on to you. I can. Oh! Guys!
Ah!
A whole swarm just teleported up to me.
We gotta catch up.
Come on.
Oh my god.
Oh, fell off.
Tether! Oh yeah! Oh, how tether? X. What?
Seriously, I double jumped and I did it.
Oh, we still help. Guys, look on the grid.
I'm
What's the
dead.
help?
Look at that middle one. That's me. I'm dead.
The top one is me, so I'm at my last piece. You guys can kind of see it. Oh yeah, you guys can see it.
Ah! Run! Get away! Get away! Get away!
Please don't help. Yes, I hit it, which means that I got my restored health. Oh, R2. R2 square. Oh, everybody throw your boomerangs at it.
Oh.
Now for you, Ratchet.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm
No,
doing
you have to hit it. Oh, guys. Oh, yes, we get to ride something. That's bots. Everybody get in. Oh, no, we have to stay on the arrows to lean, to drive.
It looks like our
Woohoo!
heroes have commandeered an air taxi in order to catch up to this
Whoa,
emergency.
I'm gonna do it. Up, no,
Whoa, 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 whoa. Guys.
Oh, guys, it's right, it's right, it's right. Alright.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, no,
Woo! Guys, leave me alone.
Yeah.
Charles. Charles, what are you doing? Whoa, 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 whoa. Sorry. Oh, guys. We have to...
Air cars.
Ah.
Here's an interesting fact. This is the seventh.
Whoa! Wow! God, it hurt. Oh, this is so addicting.
Whoa, we're losing an engine, guys.
Woo, we lost an engine. No, dang it. No.
Oh, this is so hard.
If you guys ever want another one of those sours, just grab it and open it and eat some food.
Get it.
Oh, fire. Oh, wait, I can't fire.
It's a scene, we can't do anything. Ah.
Oh, yeah, we're so boss at this right now. Guys, we can jump. Woohoo! Oh, make a lean on the pipes. Woohoo!
Don't settle for a boring answer.
Whoa. Just wait a single second here. No, you stand in the middle, Noah.
Oh, I need another one. It's so hard when I need another one. Oh, I got an apple. No, black cherry.
Do not get the yellow ones. The yellow ones? Okay, guys, I'm gonna have the yellow one.
Identified robots have teleported
Okay,
to
I have,
cities.
what do I want to have? I have black cherry.
They don't appear to belong to Dr. Nefarious.
Oh my gosh, you
We
guys.
can only surmise that these robots
Wait
have chosen
just a
to
second,
take
you guys.
advantage of
Look at this.
and invade our
Does this look sour to you? It is! Look at it. Let me see that.
Oh, that. You guys?
Oh!
Keep away from them.
Oh!
There.
Why? I am such a dum-dum. That's how you do it, yeah? It's how to attack when they can't see you. Because I'm almost dead. Slam attack. Slam attack. Just run.
Run.
Okay, guys, get in the elevator. My cheeks are bleeding.
I suggest you take cover.
Ah, wait, wait. I gotta respawn. Oh, I'm right here.
Found a weapon kiosk from the president's failed friendship through firepower.
So I had to protect you guys.
And thank you for taking part in friendship.
Oh, guys, we got a new
Are you
gun.
ready to get certified? Since this is just a recording, I'll assume you said yes.
Are you sure you want to put this down? Yes, put this down. Yes! Woohoo! You hear me up?
Awkward. You don't have enough hope for that one. Why not try one of our deadly used police blasters?
Click circle when wait. See, I got a gun, yo.
So do I, dude.
Start
Bam,
by
bam,
holstering
bam.
your weapon.
How do you
Okay, safety precautions.
I don't know.
Yada, yada. Aha! Okay,
Hey.
step one. Fire!
It's R1.
Nice. Just what it's made of.
Oh man, I wish we had these before.
You mastered the six
We had these before to take down those laser dudes. Easy.
One thing that surprised me when I first became a hero was how much people don't enjoy getting shot. If you're
Oh, I'm almost dead, motherhead.
try locking onto them with your weapon.
Whoa.
If you're not me, chances are you'll need assistance from time to time. Try firing your combustors at once to deliver a supercharged blast of power.
Hold it down. Oh wait. If once we have to take out this one, now we help Gamer Girl.
Congratulations, citizens.
Woo!
You have
We did
now
that!
Woohoo! Yeah, it's fun.
for your participation.
Alright, let's go.
You know that you can double jump, right?
Yeah.
Truly awesome.
Ammo pads, we feel ammo! Oh yay! Do we have ammo?
dead.
Okay,
Oh my
we
god.
have 100 ammo right now. Don't fire unnecessary. Look at mine, did I fall off? I fell
I
off.
think it is.
I have your back, Ratchet.
Alright, I got somebody's back. Oh wait, no wait. Somebody's got mine. I said I've got your back.
Over here.
I'm supposed to do something to this, don't I?
Yeah,
But no, I don't need a refill, do I? I still have all my hunting.
The Zagroot has just been sighted making his way towards the Luminopolis power plant, and it looks like the unidentified robots are following. They must be here for the Zagroot.
Take it!
Whoa.
I follow the truth wherever it leads.
Whoa, guys.
Look, you guys, it cracked in half.
Oh, I'm dead. I died. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. You're up. Perfect. Alright, we're good, guys. Shoot it, guys.
I'm hiding.
Man, you have to shoot. And it turns into that. It goes
Looks like our heroes have acquired some new firepower. Neither will be able to ambush the Zagroot.
Every marriage is telling me anything. It's the decision and surprise that are key ingredients to any successful adventure.
I'm like winning over y'all. I'm like being beat.
Go grab him. Guys, remember. Ratchet, you were just completely missing it.
Hi, no, I'm not.
Oh, did. Oh, did. You took one down.
I'm out.
Now would be a great time for Madeline to do her mile run.
I still have 37 more bullets.
No way, no.
I still have 100.
I'm out. I gotta reload.
Dad. She's going to
Oh, I can't help myself.
I can't help myself.
Yeah, I'm out.
Everybody get in your pods.
I'm in pod.
You always spawn. Big triangle.
I am ready.
What was that?
Take this moment to check in with Born Garblack about the mysterious robots tracking the Zaroot. Minister Garblack, any ideas as to who owns these robots?
You want? That's about to speak to it.
Oh, wow.
Thank you,
Fire!
Mr. Garblack.
I don't have my gun on me.
I got him.
I don't have my gun on me. I gotta.
Guys, we need to work together. Good job. Oh, I just died, I think. Oh, no, I didn't. I'm just jumping like crazy, yo. Oh, guys, there's something behind there. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's two of them. Ah! Ah!
I want to go this way.
Oh, and the bullets.
I'm dead.
Guys, we fell. Guys, help us fire. Help us kill him. Dude, you guys are supposed to help us kill him.
We're almost gonna kill him now. Wait.
Oh, yeah, I'm in.
Kill him?
Dang it, I died. I didn't.
Is that all you got?
I'm not firing that way.
Guys, okay, good.
I need to read. Hold on.
I found ammo.
Ah.
Clank. We need to be able to see we need to be able to see where he is, so. Finally. We need to come back here.
Go back here. Hey, Clank, over here. I'm seeing Clank over here. Come on.
But did we kill him? Oh, I think we killed him. Never mind.
I'm almost dead. Bam. I think we're supposed to explode the wall. How? And shoot it. Bam. No. Oh, we're supposed to shoot those things.
Oh yeah, we're supposed to do the last trial on this. Madeline, help us.
I'm
Give a go.
It won't let me not do it.
Give a go. It's because we're supposed to do it all together.
Yeah, it will. It made me stay on that one.
You just stop holding it. Just the points. Okay. bottom is like chilling out.
Yeah, I thought that
Living a life.
but if he was
Maybe GTV.
so guys, let's
Oh, wow. Whoa, whoa, boss fight, boss fight.
Oh god.
Zigut. Hello, what are you on Zigut? That sounds British. I ain't British. Yeah. Respawn, please respawn. Good on respawn. Okay, we have to jump over the shockwaves. Oh, no, I'm such a failure. Oh, fire! Fire at him! Oh, no! You fire at him when he's all weak. Dead.
Jump.
Respawn me! No!
I got it.
Wait, fire! Rapid fire! We can do it, rapid fire!
Holding on to
We can do it! Oh! Did we kill him? No, we didn't.
I'm out of ammo. Out of ammo. Over here.
Well, they got to the refill station! No!
Ow.
Okay. Go! I know the perfect name for this. Zigut.
That's right. Run out of ammo since I'm just on it.
When he's eating energy, that means he's going to do something. Wait, we have to shoot it. Sorry. Oh, that's got to hurt.
Whoa, run.
Let's go! Oh, this is such a boss fight. Whoa, yeah. Oh, dudes, that almost got me. I just jumped and then I survived.
City retreat forged from expensive raritanium. All this
I want to be.
begs the
Wait,
question,
I gotta
has
get this
the
part.
galaxy had enough of Copernicus quark?
Waiting on you, Nefarious.
Waiting on you, Nefarious. Look at us, we all swing our arms in perfect harmony. Signing out is two down. What? Guys, he's chasing us! I don't know, he hit me! You have to dodge him.
I'm dead.
Don't put down the controller, you're not dead! You have to wait until you respawn.
Our heroes may be
Oh,
that the group does not seem
Dude, just keep on playing.
no. Whoop, whoop. You know you can jump when it fires at you.
I know.
Look! The Defense Force installed fusion turrets on top of Zog Tower.
Zog Tower? What's Zog Tower?
It looks like the heroes are attempting to use the fusion turrets on top of Zog Tower.
Citizens will remember former Minister of Defense Barnabas Dog had an installed the incident attacked by Dr. Nefarious. How's that for irony?
I am Dr. Nefarious. Wait, guys, sorry.
Hey, you want to get some bullets? I have to say the super sour one. It wasn't super sour, but we got this. Alright, guys. In and out. I'm the boss of this game. Hey, don't get me. Whoa.
We can pick a level?
Ah!
Your enemy refuses to come out from behind cover. Try your hand at the plasma bomb launcher. This Duahi launch grenades armed with unstable plasma.
Oh, yeah.
For an added kick, try firing multiple plasma bombs at the same target.
Whoa, that is awesome! This is sick, dudes. Let's see if I have enough.
I can buy it.
Nice.
I don't think you can. Yeah, almost can.
Yeah!
Press triangle, Charlie Bob.
Tilly. I'm gonna call you Tilly, okay? Oh,
Right.
that's sweet. Oh, wait, no.
How
Okay,
big is
guys.
that? Heck yeah. Sucker.
Oh, get heal.
Oh, I fell off and died. Oh, he both fell off.
Go double jumping. Oh!
This one died. Next guy.
I think it's safe to say that the group has found our protectors.
Oh, I almost killed him. Oh no!
Wow.
The beast is still alive. I repeat, the beast is still alive.
Jump over the thing.
Okay, I'm sticking with
died.
missiles. I'm firing missiles at him.
Ow.
Ratchet.
Ratchet said.
Woo! This is hard.
And on the ammo reloader. Because you never get hit by that thing. See? Everything didn't happen?
Yeah, we shot him in the head. Concussion.
Fire, everybody. Oh, we're all out of ammo. Get off.
I died.
Ratchet, get off. I mean, clank. I'm out of ammo.
No, everybody has ammo. Just grab all one.
Oh boy, not a good time to run out.
No, I don't.
Okay, now we're out of ammo.
I'm the only one surviving right now. Alright, I'm good. Go to your other weapon. Fire. Still alert.
Fire, fire, fire!
I'm trying to jump on him. Jump on him. Wait, I'm gonna throw my frisbee thing. How do you throw my frisbee? How do I throw my frisbee?
You can't throw your frisbee that far. It's fire, fire, fire!
I don't have any bullets at all.
And the way to spawn is get some bullets. There's fire at him! Help me!
I'm trying to find the bullets.
Any gun works.
Okay. Alright. Bam, 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 bam.
Just hold it down.
Everybody.
No, you're not.
Shoot, 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 shoot. Everybody shoot.
No, everybody stop.
Everybody stop shooting. Alright.
Look at you! You're so small, Clank. It makes you just look like a little bomb flakes when you walk the other way.
I found ammo.
Alright, everybody, walk this way.
I'm gonna see how little like aimer is. I'm the only one without an aimer.
You ready, pal?
I'm gonna try green apple. No, that'd be way too far.
Let's hope it's
Guys!
power source before our heroes can get their final licks in.
What's that, Harvey? Our station manager, Harvey, has just pointed out that a new luminoid generator has been installed on that building.
Well, that certainly complicates things.
So guys, this is actually a parts. We're actually gonna make parts of this game. This is only like level 1, I think. Okay, so let's go. Which one's you, pal? I'm the one who tried to kill you 5,000 times. Does that make me you, pal?
No, I'm clanking. It's a cat. I shall
kill you all. What? Oh, that's a big one. That's a biggie. That's a biggie. Oh no! It's an outie. He's an outie, everybody. Somebody help us! He's an outie. I'm gonna kill you with my bomb.
Dude, I'm gonna have to die, alright? Let's do it. I need to die. Or no, I don't. I need to live.
You're alive now. Booyah! Booyah! Kadosh! Booyah! Kadosh! Booyah! Kadosh! Booyah! Kadosh! Booyah! Kadosh! Booyah! Kadosh!
They're both targeting me.
You blew up one.
Boom, boom, boom.
Well, I just jumped off. Okay, guys. Sorry. Take it, take it, take it. Okay. Take it down.
Get it, we got it.
The culmination of a citywide pursuit between the heroes of Polaris and a light-eating group. Can they survive a battle to the
Oh,
death
guys,
with one of
fire!
the galaxy's most dangerous predators?
Yo, game flows.
We're sorry for the technical difficulty adventures.
You're saying Victor Glover.
I said that, but they don't put the goal. I have no clue.
Well,
We might.
this is poop. Okay. Well, I think we might have to end this video here.
We're really sorry. That was an awesome part. We are gonna have to end the video at.
Yeah. Well, it was 32 minutes. Now it's 33. But, so,
Next episode.
you know what? Since this technical difficulty, I'm actually going to upload 2 videos today. I'm going to make 2 videos today. I don't know if I'm going to upload 2 today. But, so, I guess it's just goodbye. But, we'll see you very soon. Bye. Okay, so I'm gonna try to click off with my nose. Oh man, I can't do it.
I hope you can see my hand because I am waving goodbye.
Come on, I can't do it. Okay,
Sorry guys, we won't be able to have nose pause.
and goodbye.